Hello students, from today onwards we'll start chapter 2, that is fraction and decimals. But first what we'll learn is what is fraction, and then we'll learn types of fraction and many other things regarding fraction. Now let's start. What is a fraction? Now the fraction is the number of the form a by b, where a is a numerator of fraction and b is a denominator of fraction. But the only restriction is what? That b should not be equals to 0. Then this form a by b is called fraction. Okay, that is anything in the form of a by b, fine, where a is called numerator, b is called denominator, and b should not be equals to 0. Okay, this is the only restriction that you have to maintain. Okay, so this form, that is a by b, will be termed as or defined as fraction. So I've given some of the examples. You see, that is 5 by 3, 15 by 18, 45 by 100. So 5 is a numerator, 3 is a denominator. In this case 15 by 18, 15 is a numerator, 18 is a denominator. Fine. 45 by 100, 45 is a numerator and 100 is a denominator. So this is all about fraction. Now let's start study about the types of fraction. Now, types of fraction. Now there are three types of fraction, that is proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Okay, now what is a proper fraction? Now we have learned that in fraction there are a numerator and a denominator, isn't it? That is a by b form. So now see what is a proper fraction. A proper fraction whose numerator is less than its denominator. That is, the numerator will be less than its denominator. That is, numerator will be less but the denominator will be more. Now see, I have given example 4 by 7. See, numerator is less than the denominator. See another example, 8 by 11. So 8 is less than 11. So numerator is less than the denominator. Okay. Now what about this 53 by 72? Now 53 is also less than 72. So these are all the examples of proper fraction. Now what is improper fraction? Just the opposite of proper fraction. That is a fraction whose numerator is more or equal to the numerator. Remember, the numerator has to be more than the denominator, and there is another condition that it could be equal to the denominator also. So in this case, a fraction whose numerator is more or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. That is 7 by 4. See, 7 is greater than 4, that is numerator is greater than the denominator. 24 upon 12, that is 24 by 12, numerator is greater than the denominator. 5 by 5, see, both the numerator and the denominators are same, isn't it? So this is also one of the example of improper fraction. 18 by 18, so this is another example of improper fraction in which both the numerator and the denominators are similar. Now what is mixed fraction form? Now this is very interesting, student. Mixed fraction is what? A number which can be expressed as the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. That means it is a sum of a natural number. Natural number, we know that a counting number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So it is a combination of one natural number and a proper fraction. Proper fraction is what? Where the numerator is less than the denominator. So it is a sum of a natural number and a proper fraction. It's called a mixed fraction. Let's see. Now you see the first example, that 1 2 by 4. How we read this? 1 2 by 4. So 1 is a natural number, okay, and 2 by 4 is a proper fraction. So it's a sum of 1 and that is a natural number and a proper fraction. Fine. So this could be written in this format also. That is 1 plus 2 by 4. Okay, this is a mixed fraction form, and mixed fraction form can be split it up in this particular form also. 1 plus 2 by 4. So 1 is a natural number and 2 by 4 is a proper fraction. So the sum of a natural number and a proper fraction is called a mixed fraction. So I've given another example. You see, 3 2 by 3. So 3 is again a natural number and 2 by 3 is a proper fraction. So it could be written like 3 plus 2 by 3. Now this also 5 4 by 3. So 5 can be written as, let's see, this format can be written as 5 plus 4 by 3. So 5 is a natural number and 4 by 3 is a proper fraction. Fine. So these are all the examples of mixed fractions. So we have learned proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Now we'll learn how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay, students? So let's learn. Now suppose what I've written, converting mixed fraction to improper fraction. That means we have to convert this mixed fraction form to improper fraction. Improper fraction is what? Yes, where the numerator will be more than the denominator. Now let's see how to convert this. Now, the first thing that you will do is that you have to multiply 3 with 2. That is 3 into 2. Okay, then you have to add the product with this number. Okay, that is 2. Okay, upon what is there? What is the numerator, denominator out here? 3. Okay, that is what I've done. 3 into 2. Okay, plus 2. So 3 into 2 is what? 6. 6 plus 2 is what? 8. So the answer is 8 by 3. Okay, this is how you convert mixed fraction form to improper fraction. See, let's see another one. 3, 2. So we'll multiply 3 into 2. 2 into 3. Then we'll add with what? 1. Now what is the denominator, students? Yes, what is here? 2. So we'll write 2 here. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So answer is 7 by 2. Okay. Now what is the, now we will convert improper fraction to mixed fraction, just the opposite of this. Now this form is given, we have to convert to mixed fraction form. Very easy, students. Now the what we'll do, we'll divide 11 by 4. Okay, now we'll divide. Okay, so 4 2s are 8. So what will be the answer? Yes, very right. So the remainder is what? 3. Quotient is what? 2. And what is the divisor? Divisor is 4. So how to write the combination? Combination will be quotient. Sorry, students. Quotient. Then the remainder. Just getting some difficulty. So see. You will write 2, 3 upon 4. Okay. So now this is the form. See, first I have written quotient, then I have written the remainder, and then last the divisor. So the quotient should be here. This is the place for the remainder, and this is the place of a divisor. So 2, 3 upon 4. So this is how you should write the mixed fraction form. Now again you have to divide it. So let's divide, students. 15. 2 7s are 14. Now what is the remainder? 1. Exactly. So how to write? Which number we have to write? Divisor or remainder or the quotient? Absolutely right. We have to write the quotient first. That is 7. Now what will be here? Here will be the remainder. And what would be here? It is a divisor. Okay. That is how to write? Quotient, then remainder, and then the divisor. So quotient, remainder, divisor. Okay, this is the way how you convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction form. Okay, students, thank you.